sir, we will accompany you sir to the insertion point sir. Ara man sa inyong MGRS sir no?
Ang mapa sir.
Mapa
Yes,
man
sir.
sa inyo no?
Ara kay Matt, yes, sir.
Ready na lang all the time. Tapos ang sino inyong medic sir?
Ari si Carl sir.
Sino medic? Ansap?
Ari sir?
Sir, ari lang medic sir ha? Oo, tandaan mo lang.
Ang medic system sir, bala ka na? Ano ang obligasyon?
Hindi man nabud like aksyon ni karon sir.
Dang di ko lang baka aksyon guro.
Ate may ano ginakaron. So dapat tapos yun siya no. Okay.
Dapat
sir.
dasig ka.
May bandage gina.
Okay sir, mapos dito sa inyo insertion point sir. Okay. Ang sa palibot sa mga friendly process. Okay sir.
Sir, good luck, good luck.
Good luck to you sir.
Be advised, we are Mexican police here. We have possible sighting of Santos Hernandez there ahead. We Mexican police, we stay here. Only you will go ahead.
Copy sir. Bantay sa right. Oo. Una mata. Paul, secondary. Amo to gyapon ang gin-rehearse ta. Contact right, contact 1 o'clock. Contact 1 o'clock. Moving. Moving. Move.
What?
Last man.
Separar left.
Last man ka na Matt.
Third six, moving our position.
Last man Matt.
Hey.
Go. Last man. Cover. $11 Move, Ronan, move. Last man. Move. Contact left. Copy. Last man, move. Last man, move. Most last man. Move, Ray. Forward, Ray. Copy. Last man, move. Last man. Go, Ray. Copy, contact left. Continue moving, last man. Can move. Moving. Mamove ko. Cover. Last man, forward. Hey, forward. Totoo, cover, dito. Saka. Last man, move. Ray. Green boat. Medic! Medic! Cover! Cover! Continue moving! Last man moving! Look! Last man look! Last man moving! Forward! Last man! Forward! 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 Kape!
Bintana na, patay, bintana na. Sabi ba na ako?
Move! 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 Second floor building! 11 o'clock! 11 o'clock!
Hindi ka tamwa.
Last man move! Ken! Forward Ken! Contact 12 o'clock! Atos puno. Contact 12 o'clock! HBT acquired set perimeter. Set perimeter! Pull back! Pull back! Pull back! Ronin! Ronin! Pull back! Ronin! Cover fire! Paul! 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 11 o'clock! Second floor! May arada! May arada! Back! Back Paul! Sige Paul! Cover ta ka Paul! Move Paul! Back Paul!
Pull back ta. Linda. Cover pa rin siya.
Cover! Moving back! Cover! Cover! Happy sir. Ikaw si...
Interview.
Ikaw si ano sir? Okay sir. Bali we are looking for our HBT sir. May idea ka kung din siya sir.
Sino pangalan?
Ang aton nga HBT sir. Ang pangalan nga isang HBT ta? Si ano? Si Hernandez. Yes sir.
Oh, last sighted ko siya sa gamay nga balay.
Rooftop.
Dire sir, ini sir. Okay sir. Sa gamay di nga balay sir. Copy sir.
Overfire, green roof.
Okay sir. Okay sir. So stay ka lang di sir. I-count siya namon. Team Ronin, maposibilidad di sa balay di sa right. Arda aton nga HBT. Cover fire gapon.
Sir nga ma-proceed dito sir, no sir.
Proceeding to possible location of HBT.
Jared 6, this is Ronin 6. Moving to possible location of our HVT. Over.
Pag ma-confirm look, let me know. Pag ma-confirm.
Okay, confirm.
Forward. Ray, forward Ray. Cover fire. House sa 1 o'clock. House sa 1 o'clock. HVT. HVT.
Bantayan, kundi nga, no? Maintain.
Copy.
Kaya, nanda siya secure. Dapat alive din siya. Sir, okay ka lang, sir? Pabili na. Sir.
Bilinan lang siya isa.
Senior position, sir. Ray, secure din si sir yung. Ray, Ray.
I-pat down siya Ray. Complete pat down. Check mo siya. Secure mong pusil niya.
Ronin 6, moving to the location.
Move look.
Over.
Cover fire. Moving. Medic! 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 Cover be mat, mo proceed ko da mat.
Sino na igo?
Ari sir, ari go ni, go ni.
Okay, cover, cover.
Go 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 go. Mat pa cover, be mat. Taking fire, taking fire. Cover, cover, cover. Meron di kontra bro. Diri diri. Move to dio. Sa kanto, i-secure mo ni din ang ang green niyo. Go cover ta ka. Ano may lagyan dio? Sud ka daw. Stay put, Paul! Stay put, Paul! Medic! Hardy siya oh. Hardest 12 o'clock. Sa balay, sa balay. Go, 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 go. Cover, 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 cover. Okay ka lang? Nagtaslok? Cover fire! Cover fire! Move, 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 move! Move mat, Drio!
Over ka din.
Get Rayken. Kalabutin mo bala sa ano? Sa building?
Hindi mayo.
Hindi ba yun no? No. Medic! Medic! Move! Move!
Report, report. Tama, ito nga, no? Hindi nang hit na lang, hit na lang. Go, 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 cover side, go side.
Forward! Forward last man! Move! HPT ta, ready oh? Oo, ginanawan ako na to si Punk. Open ka dalok! Security diyan ay look mer, nandilok sa mga barko. Security diyan ay. Security diyan ay sa barko. Meron na sa building, green, second floor. Security ng building. Din si medic, din si medic. Medic to. Down sir. Move to Carl, move to Carl. Move, dasig. Medic, medic. Second floor. Move. Hey! Pwede na kasulod, pwede na kasulod. Kapit. Dito sir, move ta sir, kabila sir. Spiak. Oh, 4 down! Ma'am,
May nakasulod na?
sir, masulod kami, sir. Move tamat, move tamat, move, 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 move! Move, 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 move! Ako sa gunman, ako sa gunman. Move, 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 move. Move, 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 move! Continue moving, continue moving. Okay, oh.
HBT.
Secure ta na Paul, dala di siya Paul, sulod Paul. I-cover ta siya na Go, sakit po. Okay. Puta niyo. Bets, ari kami sa second floor, security ng HBT. Idala di siya Paul.
Negative man sa HBT.
Ah, hindi siya HBT. Clear, clear? Clear? Picture, picture. TXT, proceed second floor, please. May picture today. HBT, sir. Negative.
Ara, picture na naman yung picture kung sino HBT.
KXT, proceed second floor. Sir, Hellfish, sir. Ari ato niya HBT, gali sir.
I love Ken.
Oo. Ada pa tayo din ka no? May duwa to. Sure.
Medyo man.
Map. Mapa.
406.
Second.
Jared chicks, can you repeat?
Second lang.
Over.
I repeat, Ronnie, please be advised. All your intel
South
that have been
Britain.
retrieved to turn over to the Mexican police at extraction point, location, grid 40601. Do you copy? Over.
406.
Tag 014. 0 are you 014? 06
40.
0 ano yung 01
Second below, isa pa. Isa pa.
406.
Okay na sir.
Ari 406.
406.
Sige 41 ano mo.
Oo. 6 na siya per box.
Oh, tapos
406.
kag atong isa 01.
406 ka gano?
Ano kaya ba?
Second lang yapon.
Jared chicks, say again.
Please say again ang
Team Ronin, do you read me loud and clear? Over.
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear, over.
Okay, be advised, all your intercepts that have been retrieved to turn over to the Mexican police and extraction at location grid 40601 November. Do you copy? Over.
014 November.
Dito.
Okay sir, chak to Ario. Copy sir. So din tang position to subong sir. Ari mo na siya.
Ari ta diyo sa may balay diyo.
Sir. So ma-proceed na dire sir. Proceed to west.
Mexican police turn over all.
Ari sila sir no. Copy sir. So proceed.
Dili ta mabalik ta.
Okay sir, copy sir.
Kay wala di kon wala di.
Wala lagyan.
Ang ato niya, intel mo yung picture, ihatag to sa Mexican police.
Okay, copy. Okay, sige. English.
Iba Latina.
Yung perimeter, matagpin sa police.
Sir, negative to yung HBT to sa digtong location sir.
So you're the team leader?
Yes sir, I'm the team leader sir.
I need information about what happened up there.
There was a possible info that the HVT was in that building, but we secured the building, negative HVT, sir.
You have pictures?
Yes, sir. Pictures.
Can I see?
Yes, sir.
Check.
Perimeter gapon, bantayin niyo, bro. Bantayin niyo, bro.
That's all?
Yes, sir. That's a picture of our HVT, sir.
You have cigarette?
Negative cigarette, sir.
Sigarilyo?
Cigarette.
Cigarillo!
Wala, sigarilyo? Cigarette? Oh, kwato. Sigarilyo! Give it to our boss.
Good. All good.
It's the evidence, sir.
Jared chicks is running 6.
Turning over, turning
Policia
over.
has requested to turn over a briefcase
With drugs inside.
with rice inside.
Drugs.
Over. With drugs inside. Over.
Other than that, please receive the Mexican police and ask for any instruction. Over.
Okay. Okay. Sir, we would like to ask for extraction, sir.
Okay. I call my commanding officer first.
Okay, sir.
Roger. Turn 6 hours.
Permitir gyapon pala. Antayin lang diyo kasi ang busyunta.
Americano,
Yes, sir.
be advised. There is no extraction here.
Copy, sir.
We will only get the items. My commanding officer told me you will extract by the beach.
Okay,
There
copy,
will be
sir.
a helicopter waiting for you there.
Copy, sir.
There in that beach there.
Copy, sir. This forward, sir. 12 o'clock over position.
Yes.
Copy, sir.
But.
Copy, sir.
Headquarters about the mission update. Please stand by. Over.
Gracias, Americano.
Ano na?
Gracias, Americano.
See you
Sige.
again. The red chicks.
Team Ronin, be advised, according from the
Dito pa, Mati,
forward
sila, Mati.
operating base,
Kung mga instruction
update
ta.
from Mexican Police Commander, update extraction point will be 417 Echo 041 November. That will be your update extraction point by Sky Helicopter. Over.
Muna siya sa beach. Copy, ah. Differ. Copy on that. Sige, again na lang para sure ta. Muna siya.
See
Muna
you again,
siya.
Jared 6 for the location of our extraction. Over.
Mission update, new extraction point according from FOP from source Mexican Police Commander. New extraction point will be at 417 Echo 041 November. They copy. Over.
Muna siya. Beach. Muna siya, sir. Bali, Sir Hellfish. Bali nga ito na section diri sa beach, sir. May helicopter tada, sir. Pero hindi ko sure kung may ma-atake sa aton. So vigilant lang tagapon, sir.
So mamangkot ko, mamangkot ko waiting for
Proceeding na. Proceeding to extraction point.
Mamangkot na.
na helicopter sa
Wala.
Jared 6, we are waiting for instruction.
Hindi, proceed na to. Proceed na. Proceed na to.
Jared 6, Ronin 6 will proceed to the secondary
Extraction.
point. Over.
Did you turn over any
Mexican
Police? Over.
Yes, sir.
Turnover? Yes, oh. Isa ka touching case
So then,
with drugs and
okay.
security.
Roger.
We have
Helicopter will be on the extraction point. Over.
Jared 6, we have we have turnover
One touching case.
touchy case.
It contents shabu and either cocaine and cigarillo.
Roger that. Please turn over to Mexican Police what they want and proceed to extraction point. Over.
Copy. Advice, copy.
Copy.
Let's move. Possible contact, 12 o'clock. Watch the side. Move. Keep moving! Sir, sorry sir. Move, move, move! Move, 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 move! Forward! Ronin, forward, Ronin, forward! Ronin, forward! Second floor, second floor! Reloading! Second floor! Ronin, second floor contact, sir! Second floor, second floor! Second floor, second floor! Second floor! Green building! Second floor building, second floor. Second floor, second floor. Second floor, sir. Second floor, sir. Second floor. Sige, go there. Kailan lang tayo mag-forward, sir? Ronin, forward! Kontra na, sir. Second floor. Kontra na, sir. Output na, sir. Forward, forward! Ma-forward ko to, sir. Ma-cover ko, sir. Ma-forward ko to, sir. Sige, sir. Ah! Hit! Hit! Medic! 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 Tape, 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 tape. Cover fire, cover fire. Tape, tape, tape.
Punta dyan, di na ako mag-medic dyan. Sorry, gid.
Dali, dali. Medic! Oh, dasig. Butong lang din. Move natin. Ano na? Move, 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 move. Move, 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 move. Move, move, move. Move. Sir. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Popping smoke, TOC, popping smoke. Thank you, sir.
Kilala mo na